Prachi would be arrested tonight, it would mostly be because of her sleeping in mid of the conversation. Like, imagine you having a very serious conversation with her just to find her sleeping halfway through it.
I think she would be arrested only because of her music playlist, which will be played at her birthday party, because there's nothing Prachi can't do, and the only thing she would get arrested is this.
She will be arrested for publicly terrorizing a chocolate ice cream, brown teeth, chocolate covered face, and zero shame.
I think she would get arrested for not taking anything seriously. I have the most deepest and emotional conversation with her, and she'll somehow try to make me laugh, and she'll turn a conversation into a comedy show.
हेलो पिंकी, हैप्पी बर्थडे। मैं तेरी अंशी। अरेस्टेड विल बी मेकिंग न्यू बेस्ट फ्रेंड फॉर श्योर, क्योंकि अगर इस बंदे को पता चल गया कि मेरी कोई और दूसरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है तो मैं भी मर गई और उसके साथ वो भी मर गई। ओके, क्योंकि मुझे पता है इस बंदी की क्या लेवल है गुस्से की, और ऑल्सो द गाय हु मेक्स मी सैड। ओके, बट बेस्ट फ्रेंड फॉर श्योर।
Most bizarre thing in her search history would be how to stop Vedu from taking the most embarrassing videos of mine. At this point, I have enough content to blackmail her.
So, Prachi's search history would be that how to convince people that she's always right. I hope you agree.
One thing you would surely find in Prachi's search history would be how to politely refuse for a burger without your friend force feeding you.
स्क्रीन पे मुझे इतना पता नहीं, बट इतना तो आइडिया है कि 18+ मूवीज फॉर श्योर। फॉर श्योर।
One thing in my search history must be how to save my suitcase from a grasshopper.
गांडू अरे तो बैग बंद करो, जल्दी तो क्या अक्कल लाजरी के बैग बंद कर।
I would say like leaving me on the scene. Okay, रिप्लाई नहीं करती, देखती तो है बट रिप्लाई नहीं करती। Bro, that's so fucking bad. Okay, you're not supposed to do that. Okay, I think बहुत सारे दूसरे लोगों को भी ऐसे करती रहेगी। तू देखती है बट यू रिप्लाई इन योर माइंड बट नॉट like in person, but you should.
She will be cancelled for showing up to night outs just to be the first person to sleep and first person to leave.
Prachi would get cancelled for not brushing for more than a week. And the fun fact is that she will proudly announce it as if she's expecting an applause from us.
I think she would get called out for sending creepy and weird memes to everybody.
Prachi would be cancelled for getting exposed and genuinely believing on a fact that a single cloth doll found in the seminar room was sort of black magic doll, and of course I made it my personal mission to just scare her every time, and she fell for it.
The biggest too much information is that she'll randomly start her opera performance, and not many people know about this hidden talent, but those who know, it's the most funniest thing they've ever witnessed about her.
Without any warning, Prachi just gave us an unnecessary detailed explanation of how the flushes in the train toilet works, and apparently no one asked her, but now we all know it.
ट्रेन में बोर हुई। फर्स्ट टाइम में तो मुझे यूनिक लगा वॉशरूम। सेकंड टाइम मैंने नोटिस કર્યો એટલે મને વોશરૂમ ગયું, પછી ફ્લશ તમે ને 3 સેકન્ડ રૂકો ને એટલે ગુડ આવાજ આવે એમાંથી ગુડ કરીને પાણી આવે ટાક કરીને નીચે લગે બધો નીચે ને પછી પાછો લો કરીને પાણી આવે પૂરો ક્લીન।
Oversharing thing? Oh brother, that's my favorite thing. जब तू आती है मुझे बोलती है, जब इतने दिनों के बाद हम बात नहीं करते, बट दैट्स वन कॉल दैट लास्ट फॉर 3 hours 2 hours. ब्रो यू टेल मी, भाई अंशी तुझे पता है मैंने ब्रश नहीं किया, मैंने स्नान नहीं किया 6 या 5 दिन से. ब्रो दैट इज़ द फ्रीकिंग क्यूटेस्ट थिंग, बट ऑल्सो द मोस्ट कंसर्निंग थिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू. मैं जो प्रोफेशन में मैं जा रही हूँ वो बहुत कंसर्निंग होता है भाई तेरे लिए मुझे. ओके मैं बोला ये बंदी ठीक है, स्नान फिर भी ठीक है, ओके, बट ब्रशिंग ब्रो दैट्स ग्रोस. ओके बट आई एम सो कंसर्न, दैट्स सो क्यूट यू नो. तो बोलते अंशी 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 करके, दैट्स सो फकिंग क्यूट पिंकी. लव यू.
Shakira, that's tú? Wow.